And this is just one of many recent cases in our area involving crimes and children. So just this week in D.C., an 11-year-old, again, 11 years old, was arrested in connection to multiple armed robberies. And last month, a 12-year-old charged in a series of carjackings.
Yeah, this is a trend that we've seen since the pandemic. Now, according to federal data in 2020, murders committed by minors acting alone rose by 30% compared to 2019. The number of murders committed by children under 14 was also the highest in 2 decades.
And we have live team coverage tonight on this deeply concerning trend. Our Marielle Carbone is in the newsroom after talking to advocates and mental health experts about this rise in child crime.
Yeah, but we start out tonight with Marie Say. She's talking to parents about changes they want to see to make Prince George's County schools feel safer. And Marie, you're at Suitland Elementary School. A school safety town hall there just wrapped up.
Yeah, that's right. They just wrapped up not too long ago, and there were a lot of topics discussed tonight. But the main point that they wanted to share tonight was that many parents want to work with leaders to create a safer space for students and improve the school system.
I just have overall concerns about safety and how that's truly being addressed.
Jana Parker is a mother of 2 teens in Prince George's County schools. Just like many other parents and residents, she has concerns after hearing 3 teens attacked and attempted to shoot a student on the school bus.
I have concerns from the perspective of not just the children, but also our bus drivers, our workers, our teachers. A lot of times we have to think about this as a community issue. Holistically, and we have to think about the safety of our residents as a whole.
Parents say they want to see more resources and support for students to prevent something like this from happening again.
If we could have done something to change the course of those individuals' lives to even think that that was appropriate and make sure that they did something other than that.
Police Chief Malik Aziz says the solution to youth crime requires everyone's efforts.
We are a team, that we are 50-50, that the police are not a single solution. The community is a greater solution.
Board of Education leaders say they're investing more into security safety in schools. And on the county level, they're putting money towards after-school programs, violence prevention, and support for parents.
But I think there's more we can do. It's all of us together, coming together to fix the situation and to look at our children as a village that we're all responsible for raising.
Now, among other topics discussed tonight was truancy and more officers in the school system. Now, as for that school bus attack, police did arrest that 3rd suspect known as Baby K, and he's accused of attempting to shoot that teen on the school bus. Now, he's being charged as an adult, and his bond hearing is scheduled for tomorrow. For now, reporting in Suitland, Maryland, I'm Marie Say, DC News Now.